Hello, my name is Freddy Gonzalez from the Dominican Republic, and my project is the 21 card trick, also known as the 11th card trick. So let's go on and run it to see it in action. I will be explaining some of the functionalities of the trick. So basically, the player will pick a card on their mind. So let's read all the messages. Pick a card on your mind and do not tell anyone. When done, please press enter. This is the instruction, very simple. So let's memorize one card randomly, whatever. Let's say Queen of Hearts. So Queen of Hearts is our card. Let's just try it with that one. We don't click it. We don't tell anyone. Just Queen of Hearts in our memory. So let's hit enter. It's shuffling cards. Please wait. And now the message says, please press the key corresponding to your card's group number. So we identify our card is Queen of Hearts and just hit number 1. Again, please press the key corresponding to your card's group number, 1, 2, or 3. And we go and find Queen of Hearts is number 3. And for the last time, Queen of Hearts is in the group 2, so we hit number 2. The program will now guess your card. So we have guessed your card. Please press enter to reveal it. Let's hope we get the Queen of Hearts. Let's see. And yes, we have the Queen of Hearts. So this is the program. Basically, is what I did was to go directly to the most important functions. What I did was to create a deck of cards here using the Pie Dealer deck function. So I shuffle the cards and then I deal 21 of them. So this is the full card here, the full deck of 52 cards. And now I deal here 21 cards for the trick. So it's only working for 21 cards in this case. So after that, I just go and show the deck to the user using a path to the corresponding image to each one of the cards. So basically using the same variable I had in creating the deck, I pass it as parameter for the show deck. So for each card on D, I will assign a path to the corresponding image here in the folder. So that's how I show the image for each corresponding card. And after that, I create 3 groups. I ask for the user to identify the card and type the number. And based on that, I put the selected group in the middle. And after that, to finish, I just present the selected card. I select the 11th card and show it to the user. So I show the card image here as my last move. So basically, this is my project. Thank you very much. And this is the requirements. I used 4 libraries that I had to install: PyDealer, PlaySano, OpenCV, and NumPy. Thank you very much to the CS50P team. It was a great experience to work with this course.